I think those jets are landing. It's like Martin or I don't know, some type of military fucking complex over there. You got that Lockheed or something, I don't know. But jets come in and out of there all the time. I got sail up. Should not have. That's okay. Danger is close by. Just gonna have to let this water fill in before we can do anything. Check out those jets flying. Wow, with all this wind. Looks like he's coming back around. Oh, so is he. Oh, they might be landing. Right over there is like... See how she acts under load. Forward. Oh, yeah, that fucker is in there, dude. Out here in the cabin, got some water flowing here. Look how close we are to land though. I mean, the boat wants to go that way. Good thing that we're not pushing on the land. But no, it's a good thing we're not pushing on the land. So we'd have to get that anchor up real quick and toss it here, which we should be doing anyways. Got the engine running. Getting some power up in the batteries a little bit. I also want to check to see how she's gonna act under load. So we're gonna go check that out now. Woo! It's very windy. I keep saying that. It's gonna get better. The winds are gonna slow down and they're gonna start coming in from the south, bringing the water back in. The depth sounder. Looks like it's going up. Looks like we're up at about 4'6", 4'7" inches. So, see how that goes. I really could use some diesel heat. Or, yeah, diesel heat. I could really use some diesel, fuel. I'm running low. I got one tank left until I get paid. So we might have to cut that off here and to the surface.